Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders and nail stumps. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Manicure Pro. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Bright Neon Yellow. And the next is in the shade White. So this is just a solid white shade. For the liquids, I will be using my Manicure Pro base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. I'm also be using my Born Pretty stamping plate. And also I will be using my Born Pretty stamping gel. This one is in the shade Red Rose. And next one is in the shade White. I'm also gonna use my Born Pretty silicone stamper as well as the scraper. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I use my UNT peel-off base, and this will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. Obviously, you don't need this if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be using the shade White on my ring, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And also, I just want to mention that I use orange stick to clean up around my cuticle area, and I do that off camera. So once I'm finished with white, I move on to the next shade, which is the Bright Neon Yellow, and I will be applying this on my middle and pointy nail. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So once I'm finished with all the colors, I move on to my Manicure Pro Clear Powder, and this will encapsulate my nails and protect it from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder, and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. After a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust. And then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 1 layer of this on my nail and then cure it for 30 seconds. So then once my nails are cured, I move on to my stamping method. So here is my stamping plate, and I will be using this pattern as well as this one. So first, I use my white stamping gel and I apply a fair amount of stamping gel on my plate, and then I scrape it a couple of times, and then I use my silicone stamper to pick up the pattern and then just stamp it on my nails. So then I just repeat the same step using my red stamping gel. So then I use acetone to remove the excess stamping gel that went on my nails. So once I'm finished with the stamping, I cure it for 30 seconds. So then next I apply the final coat of my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and then again cure it for another 30 seconds. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.